Dear colleagues, I am Dr. Anil Shah from Suryakant Eye Hospital. In this video, I am demonstrating modified bimanual and manual aspiration cannula. The advantages are that it doesn't cause any anti-capsule pull, there is no zonular dialysis, no PC rent. Anterior and posterior polishing is possible with sandblast. Cortex cleanup deep in the fornices is possible. And even after IOL implantation, cortex cleaning under the rhexis rim without catching the iris is possible. This is a normal aspiration cannula with the tip facing upward. Now with the needle holder, the tip is made straight. Now the tip is rotated horizontally. The flow of fluid is directed horizontally. Now the same cannula is again given the same curve, original curve. Now here you will notice that the fluid is coming out horizontally. So the aspiration port is directed horizontally. Normally it is vertical aspiration, but it is directed horizontally. Now this horizontal aspiration cannula is passed into the anterior chamber. It is going deep into the capsular rim, crossing the capsular rhexis margin deep into the fornices and removing the cortex easily without catching anterior capsule or iris or even the fornices of the capsule. With this, it is a very safe removal without any tension of catching anterior capsule or even the equator of the capsule. The cortical cleanup is completed. Now with this same cannula you can go deep into the fornices and polish the anterior capsule or posterior capsule and do a complete. Now this is a case 2 where the pupil is smaller and there is a thick epinucleus plate of cortex. Now in this situation it is very difficult to remove the epinucleus plate, but with this horizontal aspiration port the epinucleus plate is removed easily. You can go blindly deep into the fornices below the capsular rim without catching anterior capsule or iris, and you can remove thick plate of epinucleus easily. So it is very safe method of removing anterior cortex. This is a case 3 where also you will find a small pupil with thick epinucleus plate. This type of epinucleus and cortex are very difficult to remove with the tip facing upward cannula, but with horizontal tip facing cannula it is very easy to remove. See, the epinucleus plate has been taken out from the fornices and removed. It is very simple and safe method, I think. It doesn't cause any damage to posterior capsule or even doesn't cause any pull on the anterior capsule, and you can blindly go below the iris and take out the cortical matter easily. See, in the fornices also the cortical matter is removed blindly without any problem. Now this is a case 4 in which I am going to show you a very small fragments of cortex deep into the fornices can be removed very safely. This is a chunk of epinucleus which is easily pulled out from the capsular bag. with the irrigation the chamber is made stable, so there is no fluctuation. I always prefer bimanual irrigation aspiration rather than other methods. Now see here, the small cortical fragments are remained into the fornaces. With the horizontal tip facing cannula, we try to remove this cortical fragment, though it is adherent and not easily coming out. So we'll try to remove from the other side cortical matter. So this is a deep cortical matter in the fornaces which is easily removed. Now here a sticky cortical matter is adherent to anterior and posterior capsule, and this type of cortex are very difficult to remove. But with this horizontal facing cannula, you can easily take out without any pull on the anterior capsule. Now the remaining cortical matter is also removed by passing the horizontal tip facing cannula deep into the fornaces, and tiny fragments of cortex are easily removed. So there is a total cortical cleanup, and the advantage is that the anterior capsule and posterior capsule are not at risk. Now this is another method, manual cortical aspiration by Dr. Anil Shah's ACM and a horizontal facing aspiration cannula. Those who are doing manual aspiration, my modified ACM is very useful, and this cortex aspiration cannula is also very useful. This cortex aspiration cannula has a tip facing horizontally, same as that of the aspiration cannula. Now this is my modified ACM which is available with the Ankur metal. The advantage is that it has got the two side holes at the tip, and this ACM can be attached to side port for aspiration and irrigation. This is another Simcoe cannula which I have modified, having a tip facing horizontally. Normally we see a tip facing on the front, but I have modified this with the tip facing horizontally so as to easily remove cortex deep into the fornaces without catching anterior capsule. Hope you like this technique. Thank you very much for your kind attention.